some bike blacker shorts. Blacker shorts. No, sweetheart. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, as you guys can tell from the description, we are doing a Shein clothing haul. I think you pronounce it Shein or Shein. However you pronounce it, we're going to do that clothing haul. I've spent over $200 on Shein, and that is just a ridiculous amount of money, to be honest with you. Without any further ado, let's get into this beautiful video. So the first shirt that I purchased was this tan Viper tank top. I think it's really cute, really, I'm not gonna say really cute that much. It's just this. It's like a silk material. The fit is actually really nice. It's very comfortable also. I purchased everything in a small and maybe a few things in a medium. The next shirt that I got was this tan shirt. She dropped. So this shirt ruffles up. I don't know what these are called, but like you can tighten it and like it can get loosened like however short or long you want to make them. It's very soft, very fitting. It's also stretchy. I got a small. Yeah, it's just this tan tank top. Super cute, super pretty. I'm not gonna say those words that many times. I purchased it in black and I also purchased it in gray. So these are just regular t-shirts. Well, they're not t-shirts, they're crop tees, and they just have these buttons. I told myself that I wasn't going to purchase a lot of black, gray, and white stuff, but I lied to myself and I actually purchased a significant amount looking back at my purchases. But they're just these basic tees. There's nothing much to them. They're thin material, but they're not see-through, which is amazing because I thought that these were just going to be like some really crappy material, but they're actually a really good. And then I also got two of the same shirts again, but I got them in this neon green and this lavender purple color. Lavender is purple, but I got them in these two colors, so it's just a one shoulder tank top, I guess you consider this, or would this be like a tube top? I don't know, but it's super cute. They go with some shoes that I got. I'm not going to say super cute again. Yes, I probably am. But it's really nice. Like, the color goes with the shoes that I got amazingly. This is my first time buying something like this. It's a little risque for me. And then also from Shein, I got two of the same shirts again. One in white and one in black. So fall is coming up, and I live in Florida, so it doesn't get cold probably until January, honestly. I didn't even realize that I didn't have any in my closet. So I purchased one in black and one in white because they are two essential colors to have. They fit very nice. I thought that this turtleneck was going to be lower, but I realized that in the picture, I guess they folded it, so that's why it looked so low. So that's what is wrong with me today? So I'm probably just gonna have to fold it like so. You guys are gonna be able to see on the try on portion, but I really like these shirts. This white one is see-through, as you can tell. So the next two items that I purchased, they're not the same shirt, but they're about the same style. I got this red kind of like, I don't know, this kind of like, someone told me that this reminds them of like Princess or whatever, but they're just these like, I don't even know what these puffer thingies are called. I don't know what they're called. But this shirt is like really nice. Like, it's immaculate. That's another word I can start using. This shirt is immaculate. Like, I love the fit. Also got this lime green one, which kind of reminds me of a corset. That's what they're called. It reminds me of a corset. I got these to go with some sneakers that I purchased. Lime green shirt. I don't know if it's going to look good on my complexion. So this is also another shirt like the lavender and neon green one that I got. Just the off the shoulder, one shoulder, whatever you want to call this one. It's in white. It is definitely see-through also. No, I don't think this one's that see-through actually. This one is not very see-through. I really like it. It's a basic, it's an essential. Next item that I purchased was this what type of green? This is like a forest green. I almost say forest green. I got these to go with a pair of shorts that I also bought, but they don't match at all. I don't really like how it fits on me. I feel like it just clumps up right here. It's a cute shirt, like the concept of it is cute, but I just don't like how it looks on me. I got this black shirt with a dragon on it. With this shirt, it tightens on the side. No, it doesn't tighten actually. Oh yeah, it does tighten on the side. It has like this ruffle, whatever you want to call it. I honestly don't know what it's called. The thing about it is I don't remember purchasing this shirt, but it's a super cute shirt. I'm definitely gonna wear it. And then I got this shirt, this crop top. It says, "It's my world, we're just living in it," which is so true. This is my world and you all are just living in it. I think it's nice. I don't think it's nice. I think it's funny. That's why I got the shirt. I got this Black Lives Matter shirt. I thought it was nice. A couple of these shirts on Shein, and you know, I give them props. And I believe that they said that all proceeds go somewhere. I can't remember if that's accurate or not, so don't quote me on that. I just realized all of the graphic tees that I got are white. I got this graphic tee that says "The dream is true, starting now, realize one's dream, make your dreams happen." I'm just not reading this shirt. I'm not gonna lie. Like when I bought it, I did not read it. Yeah, just red. Has some color to it. You know, it's a shirt. The next one that I purchased was just this one. It also has wow, all my shirts have race cars on it. I'm not a race car driver, guys. This one just says home, and it's like the Home Depot. I just realized that it said Home Depot on it. Okay, Home Depot, get it in. It's blue and orange. Very, I mean, I don't know what to say about it. It's just an oversized tee. Then I got this one that says "Fleeing." Oh no, it doesn't. It says "Pleen." That says "Pleen"? What does it say on it? Plain? Pleen? Shein? Pleen. I think it says, I don't know what the heck that says on it. I'm gonna look up what this means. Oh, it means full. Complete. Plan. Oh, it's in French. Plan. Plan. Okay, so it means full in French. I got from Shein. It's just this black set. It comes with one of these shirts again, you know, just off the shoulder, and then it comes with some black biker shorts. It's honestly basic. This oversized jacket. So I needed a darker oversized jacket because I bought a lighter one. The one thing that I don't like about this purchase is that the pockets are fake, but luckily they have pockets on the inside of them, which is immaculate. Moving on to the things that we wear on our booties and our bottoms. I got these because they reminded me of fall. They're like the spandex material, so I got these in a medium. These I probably could have gotten them in a large. I guess maybe these run small. They fit me, but I kind of was looking for more of a looser fit. The next pair of shorts that I got were these brown snake skin. They're very loose on the derriere end, but I really like them. They can get tightened because they come with a belt. They're a nice fit though. Now moving on to some more shorts that I got. I got these neon green shorts. They look short, but they're not that short in person. Definitely could probably see my panties through these. I just now realized that. They come with drawstrings, whatever. Got these in a size small. Yeah, and do they have pockets? No, they don't have pockets. Oh, bummer. You would have got extra points if they had pockets. I got a pink pair of those pants. The only difference with these pants is that they come with pockets, which is a plus. These ones have fake drawstrings, so these drawstrings don't tighten. Moving on to the biker shorts, because you know I had to purchase some new biker shorts to go with my oversized tees that I bought. So I got these red biker shorts. Yeah, I just got these red biker shorts. There's not much to them. They're high-waisted, they're stretchy, you know. I also got some blue biker shorts. They're just blue. When I saw these, I was like, those things are not gonna fit me, but surprisingly they fit me, so I'm excited to wear these because they're really soft. Oh my gosh, guys, these biker shorts are so soft. Moving on to the jeans portion of this video, I got 2 pair of jeans from Shein, and honestly, like, when I bought these jeans, I was so scared. I was like, are these jeans gonna fit me? I took my chance. They fit me very well. So the first pair of jeans that I got, these white ones with khaki on the knees. I'm not gonna lie, guys, these looked a lot lighter. That's why I purchased such light tan colors. If I would have known that these were khaki, I would have purchased like more of khaki colored shirts to go with these, but it's okay. The pants are very nice. These in the US 4, they have pockets on the side, which is pretty great. It's amazing. I like these pants a lot, and I can't wait to wear them and take pictures in them. Now moving on to my favorite pair of pants. They're just these two-tone pants, and they fit me really well. They're like these mom jeans. You know, honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I can't tell the difference between mom jeans and boyfriend jeans. No, mom jeans and dad jeans. Like, what are the difference? I don't know, but they're super cute. I like them a lot. Okay, so now moving on to the accessories of this clothing haul. I got a lot of jewelry from Shein. Guys, let me put you on. Get your jewelry from Shein if you're like me and you lose jewelry, because baby girl, I lost a pair of diamond earrings, real diamond earrings, and I told myself I will never buy another pair. Guys, I don't know what those earrings are. But all I know is Shein came in the hook. So the first purse that I got was just this cute lavender freaking, I don't know what type of leather this is supposed to portray, but guys, this is so cute. Look, there's like what, like what? I got 2 belts. I got this clear belt because I figured that it would honestly go with anything. Just one buckled. It's really self-explanatory, you know. Yeah, I have a lot of belts like this, but none of them are like regular, like have a regular buckle. Plus this came with a chain. Like, that's cool. I don't remember the socks saying this, but they say keep me alone. Yeah, they're just some like ankle socks. So now moving on to the jewelry, and I really do not feel like showing this jewelry right now. This is this 1999 silver necklace, this gummy bear necklace. Okay, now I have this set. Look at this. Like, there's just so many, there's just a lot going on here. So there's like a safety pin here, a safety pin here, some dice, and like a lock. Yeah, just some silver chains. I don't know which necklaces go with which set, but I got these. I got a lot of jewelry. Like, I'm not really gonna explain them because they're kind of self-explanatory. Blue, pink color. This anklet set. These earrings. I think these earrings are really cute. These diamond earrings. One pair, like I said before, I lose earrings. One's already lost, and I'm wearing a pair right now. Okay, you guys, so thank you guys for watching. I really enjoyed making this video. These are probably my favorite videos to film. That was just everything that I got at Shein during this beautiful quarantine. I hope you all enjoyed watching my video. So hit that subscribe button if you want. I mean, if you don't want to, you don't have to. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and stay tuned for my next videos. I hope you like my Shein clothing haul. Deuces, my people. Bye.